welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing Izzy's nails.
We're doing my nails today.
Now we're going to use base coat. I'm not allowed to do that one. We're going to use bubblegum instead. Now we're going to use Periwinkle. Now, perfect Pistachio. Ooh, Buttercup. Pretty. Lastly, we're gonna use Guilt Trip. We're gonna add some gems now. For that, we're gonna use the wax pickup pen. I'm not allowed to do this, so I've got an adult to help me. Now we're going to finish off with top coat. Silver and all that colour. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching our video. Like, comment, subscribe.
Oh, get all the jitters out. Whoa, like that. Yeah, right.
Like and don't forget to come back and watch our video. Now, perfect Pistachio.
Fabulous. Do you want to do another take of that?
Keep your hands still. That sounded so threatening.
Ready? Your head's in the way.
To finish off, cup dot. Rock and roll.